Hi, I'm Lauren Beckett, Assistant Director of Financial Planning and a CFP professional at Berkshire Money Management. And in this video, I'll be showing you what you can expect from our financial planning process and how your plan and the tools in your planning portal can help you feel more confident in your financial future. Let's get started. Your life and financial situation are unique to you, but for today, we're going to review a plan for a fictional family, Charlie and Sam Porter. Charlie and Sam are in their early 60s and starting to think about retirement, but they aren't sure whether they have enough money to take the leap. Charlie owns a small business, and Sam works for a local nonprofit organization. They have a young granddaughter. She's only 6, but they're already starting to think about funding her college education. Right now, the Porters have a mortgage and some student loan debt, and they just don't know if retirement makes sense in the next few years or if they need to keep working. Before our first meeting with Charlie and Sam, we requested 3 financial documents so we could start the process for them. These were our recent tax return, pay stubs, and their Social Security earnings record. This step lets our clients skip the data gathering process and focus instead on what's most important to you. At Charlie and Sam's first financial planning meeting, we had a conversation about their vision for retirement, including the necessary living expenses as well as their aspirational goals. While these two had an idea of what retirement would look like, it wasn't until they sat down with us that they realized although golf is Sam's favorite pastime, it's difficult to fill your retirement calendar with tee times. Working together, we were able to better understand what Charlie and Sam's retirement looks like with specific and measurable goals. You'll see under needs, healthcare is its own category. Medicare and health insurance are a very big concern for most people, and retirees can expect to spend an average of $160,000 on medical expenses over the rest of their lifetime, so we do address that directly throughout this process. Your financial plan is not a guesstimate. It's based on a lot of real information about you that we gather both before and during the financial planning process. Here you can see we're factoring in Sam and Charlie's anticipated Social Security income, their retirement and other savings accounts, and even the estimated income from the future sale of Charlie's business, in addition to any outstanding debts. What I love the most about working on financial plans with clients like yourself is being able to take all of this complicated data, really geeking out over the analysis behind the scenes and the strategies that we can deploy, but then delivering it in plain English and in a way that is straightforward, actionable, and makes sense to you. When we get to the end of the financial planning process, the financial planning team will sit down with you and your advisor to review our recommendations. We'll start with a simple overview that shows how likely it is that you can meet all of your goals with the resources that you have. For Charlie and Sam, the probability of reaching their goals is around 85% after factoring in some of the strategies we recommended during the planning process. Besides having access to the information and tools in your portal, we always prepare a full report that looks something like this one. The report contains all of our written recommendations, cash flow charts, reiterations of the information we've discussed, key assumptions, and many, many more details, including plans to minimize taxes, optimize Social Security, as well as an income strategy that lays out all anticipated deposits and withdrawals throughout retirement. We like to call this your paycheck replacement plan. After we review your plan together, you'll be able to access your plan anytime throughout your client portal. This is a great place to remind yourself of your plans and check in to see how you're doing. 2 interactive tools in your portal include the Play Zone and What Are You Afraid Of? This Play Zone allows you to experiment with all of the goals that we had outlined together. Whether that's travel, a dream car, a charitable donation, or something else, here's where you can truly make it your own. What if we wanted to increase where we're spending on travel? What does that look like? When we plug that in, it's going to recalculate our results, and you can see we're still above our confidence zone, this green section, so we're still in good shape. The Play Zone puts that immediate feedback at your fingertips 24/7. At Berkshire Money Management, we create a complete financial plan for every one of our clients, and we have a whole team here to help you implement your plan. If you, like Sam and Charlie, are thinking of retirement but don't know when or how, we're here to help. I hope that this video helped you to understand what to expect when you go through the financial planning process with us. We're so excited to help you meet your retirement goals.